I don't know who needs to hear this, but if you're waking up every day exhausted, dragging yourself through a job you hate, feeling like you're stuck in a loop with no way out, you're not crazy. You're burnt out. I used to think this was just life, work, bills, sleep, repeat. The American dream? Nah, more like the American burnout. Rent keeps rising, healthcare costs more than your paycheck, you work more but have less, and somehow you're still made to feel like it's your fault. One day I asked myself a question I never dared to ask before. What if I just left? Like, really left. No 2-week notice, no backup plan, just out. So I started looking into places people never really talk about. Thailand, Portugal, Colombia, Mexico. Places where rent is $400, not $2,400. Where people actually slow down, where life, well, it just feels like life. Then I realized something pretty powerful. I don't need to be rich to be free. I just need to stop waiting for permission. Burnout is a system failure, not a personal one. It's what happens when you're expected to keep giving, but no one pours back into you. America honestly rewards grind, not peace. But I choose peace now. If this is hitting you deep, it might be time. Time to question everything. Time to explore what life could look like somewhere else. First, research affordable countries. Then join expat forums or YouTube communities to connect with people who've already made the move. Start a side hustle or find a remote job, just to get some income flowing. Make sure to save about 3 to 6 months of income just in case, and honestly, when you're ready, book that ticket. I'm not running away. I'm choosing myself. I'm choosing my time, my peace, my sanity. And if you feel the same, I'm not saying it's easy, but it's possible, and I'm going to show you how I do it step by step. Hit that subscribe if you're thinking about leaving too, because this channel is about breaking free from burnout, from fake success, from a system that forgot about us. This is for the ones who are done surviving and ready to start living. Watch next, How I'm Moving Abroad on a Budget. Subscribe for freedom-focused content, and grab your free guide, How to Leave America Without Going Broke.